fish. Okay.
Okay.
So what's crab and map?
Na I hear only one who does it. Ate naman!
Ah, there's another customer coming. Coming right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be the cashier.
Here. Look.
Tignan mo ko. Juga.
Stop that, no?
No.
This customer had this drink twice. It will be $3.50.
$3. Okay.
Not $3.
Grab the money. Put money into the...
Close the door. And kill the red guy. Hey, he's up.
Another guy gonna be the cashier.
Okay. Oh, there's Takis. Is this Takis?
Close the door! Close the door siya.
Takis mo.
Chuga.
Taki ba?
Hindi kasi yung takke.
Takis! Yung pagkain! Takis ba to? Hindi. Takis ba to? Ate?
Kasi sa...
Mama!
Nahulog na yun.
Ba't ganun ka muna?
I'm rolling around. I don't know. I don't care what are you talking about. I'm rolling. Eh, stop looking in the window. Just look at me.
No.
Look at me.
Bro, stop that.
Wow.
Bro, stop. Close the door. I want the candies. Yum.
Okay.
Take out the cat. Ikaw nga lang ate, tatakot ako. Ate.
Don't be scared.
Yung going kasi. Yung kulay red.
Mama, nasa labas. Help. Please, Celine.
Ate, sawama ko. Patayin kita kung hindi.
Run.
Tuna! Ate, bilis! Dumpster daw. Ito yun. Kasi labas ang dumpster. Ate, bilisan mo!
Help.
Bilis! Ito kasi. Bagal mo.
I'm so no excuse. I just want to use me.
Huh? No space.
Anything you want, it's
Ate, tinan mo nga. Yung mga food.
Makikitang
May takis oh.
familiars.
Yung takis oh. Nag-google. Oh my God.
Assist the customer.
Ikaw ate. Bili ako
How
guka.
much will this drink cost?
Dito nga yung
I don't know.
mga guka.
Let me see.
Nahulog ako.
Kung saan na-split ka. Pag sila lang sir. Hahahiyog.
May go ka. Ay,
Daw.
may go ka.
How much?
Ay,
I'm serious. 5. Nagreklamo ka pa, ha?
Ito!
Ikaw na nga bibili.
Sosis!
Ikaw na nga bibili yung nagreklamo ka. Oh. What was that over there? Look! Tingnan mo yung kondo mo. Tingnan mo yung yellow.
Kabayaan mo.
Go assist the customer. I'll go check.
Hindi ako tatakot ako.
That's nothing.
Takot ako ate. Scared ako.
This assist the customer.
Tapos na ba?
Good is the assist the customer.
Hindi ka na
So ugly.
Don't say
No, no,
that.
no.
Don't say that. God
Yes,
will,
I'm gonna.
God will be mad.
Okay. Go clean the floor.
Go. Faster, man. I
What?
got no time here. I got no time. The floor.
Go toilet, cleaner, and clean
Ako na.
toilet. Why do we have to clean toilet? I didn't know. Uwi na tayo. Go for stinky. Balik sa taxi. Bro! Let's go na.